An unnatural weather change, known as global warming, is a term used to depict a continuous increment in the normal temperature of the Earth's environment, a change that will forever have effect on the Earth's atmosphere. With the Earth-wide temperature increasing and species in their territories decreasing, chances for biological systems to adjust normally are reducing. Numerous are concurred that environmental change may be one of the best dangers confronting the planet. The unnatural weather change discussion is a progressing debate about the impacts of people on the global climate and about what approaches ought to be executed to dodge conceivable undesirable impacts of environmental change. The most striking proof of a dangerous atmospheric deviation pattern is clearly investigated information that demonstrate a generally quick and across-the-board increment in temperature during the previous century. The 10 hottest years on record happened during 1997 through 2008 as per NASA's Goddard Institute for Space Studies. The rising temperatures seen since 1970 are especially critical in light of the fact that the rate of expansion is so high, and on the grounds that during the same period the vitality coming to Earth from the Sun had been measured correctly enough to reason that Earth's warming was not because of changes in the Sun. Worldwide ocean level has expanded by around 8 inches over the previous century, and the rate of expansion is quickening. An Earth-wide temperature boost causes ocean level to rise in two ways. The first one being ocean water is extending as it warms, and also land-based ice and glaciers and ice sheets are melting. Declining ocean ice is a standout amongst the most obvious indications of an Earth-wide temperature boost on our planet. Since 1979, Arctic ocean ice degree in September has declined by more than 30%, as indicated by the National Snow and Ice Data Center. The ice degree has been declining in different seasons as well. In spite of somewhat bigger ice degrees in 2009, late perceptions demonstrated that the ice is more slender and much more youthful than it used to be. Covering a normal of 9.6 million square miles, these territories of ice floating on sea waters assume a vital part in reflecting so as to manage our atmosphere, by reflecting some sunlight back to space and in the life cycles of numerous polar species, for example, polar bears, seals, and walruses. Another issue is that oceans are acidifying. The sea has consumed an expansive part of the carbon dioxide fossil fuel burning that has pumped into the climate, abating the rate of global warming. Be that as it may, this additional carbon dioxide is affecting the sea as well. The pH of surface seawater has diminished by 0.1 units since 1750 and is anticipated to drop another 0.5 units by 2100 if no move is made to curb fossil fuel emissions. These progressions would take hundreds of years to reverse. Controversies are still being made about what may happen with global warming, but if actions such as the increase of carbon dioxide and burning fossil fuels and greenhouse gases continues, we could be on the route towards the destruction of the planet.